In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold an origami snowman with Santa's hat designed by Francesco Mancini. I use a square with a side length of 15 centimeters or 6 inches, and the snowman then has a height of 9.5 centimeters or 3 4/5 of an inch, and a width of about 5.3 centimeters or 2 1/8 of an inch. We'll start with the white side up and crease the diagonals by bringing corner to opposite corner. Unfold, rotate, and repeat to crease the second diagonal. Unfold and now bring the bottom corner to the center. And flip the model over. Now bring this folded edge to that central diagonal crease. Crease and repeat on the other side. Then flip over and just on the top layer, bring the corner to the top corner to crease the diagonal of that small square. Then unfold and bring that corner to the intersection of these two creases or just slightly below it to ensure that when you fold it up, not too many layers add up because of that small point overlapping. Then take the folded edge and bring it to that crease line, trying to make the paper not drift by really pushing it in. And again, try not to overlap that crease line. And then fold up one more time, like this. Now we have that Santa's hat started. Next, we're going to flip over the model again, and we're going to take this folded edge and align it with this color change area and crease. Then repeat on the other side. Now take that bottom corner and fold it up so that it meets this point right there. Then flip over the model and bring that red corner to the other side of the model to fold it in half and make a strong crease, ensuring that the paper is nice and straight where you form the crease. Then fold along this existing crease line. So you get something like this. And if that hat unfolds, simply refold it. Now we're going to take these corners and inside reverse fold them. We're going to prepare that fold by folding in as far as it will go, so up to that point, in a 45-degree angle. So you will see that this edge should be parallel to that central crease line, or this edge over here. Make a strong crease using that large area of your thumbnail because there are quite a lot of layers of paper here. Then unfold and then push that paper open to make a mountain fold throughout along the pre-creasing you did, and push the paper inside. like this, and strengthen the crease again. Repeat on the left side. Like this. Then flip over again, and now we're going to fold down these corners as far as they will go up to this point right here, again in a 45-degree angle. So you're basically following that extra layer of paper right here. Make a strong crease and repeat on the other side, folding it in as far as it will go in a 45-degree angle. Now, to form the hat, we're going to add a crease between this point and that tip. Ensure that the hat is nicely folded here before adding the crease. Then take this point right here and fold it in as far as it will go so that your crease basically starts right in this point. And make a strong crease. Then repeat on this side, first folding in that narrow section of the hat, and then this tip. Finally, we're going to take this bottom edge and fold it up to that intersection right there. Make a strong crease and fold in the corners in a 45-degree angle so that they meet this edge right here. First on this side and then on that side. And then flip over the model and your snowman with Santa's hat designed by Francesco Mancini is all done. For more of his work, check out Francesco's Flickr stream and his YouTube channel. You can also download diagrams for this model from Origami USA's online magazine, The Fold. Now, if you liked this video, do let me know by giving it a thumbs up, commenting below, and sharing it with others. Plus, if you're looking for more winter and Christmas related models, check out the playlist I've put together, or fold more of Francesco's designs following one of my tutorials. Finally, subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next videos. I hope to see you around, and as always, happy folding!